Hi everyone, welcome to Kajabi Quick Fix Friday. Today I want to highlight two areas that are easy to overlook but make a big difference. Account settings, your notification and privacy settings, and then your course product, the footer fix. So let's jump on into Kajabi and have a look at these settings. Now I'm just in a demo account here in Kajabi. If you come to your left sidebar and scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will come across settings. And once you're in your settings, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you find account settings. And under the account settings, you will see notifications and privacy. And here you'll find all of the different notification and privacy settings that you can elect to switch on or switch off, and you can be in control of what you are receiving updates about. Now, as a service provider, adjusting these settings has made a huge difference in my inbox, and I'm sure it will help you too, especially if you're feeling overwhelmed by the number of emails that you receive. So you can just work your way through this list and decide what it is you actually want to receive notifications about. So there is Kajabi Marketing. We have Kajabi News and Updates, Comments, Customer Subscriptions and Payments, Kajabi Payments, Data Export, Creator Studio, and then we also have privacy around the partner leaderboard if you want to display your first name and last initial on the leaderboard. So work your way through this list, select and deselect the ones that you want to keep, and then just click save to save your changes. And so the second thing we are going to look at today is actually our course product Premier template, the footer fix. I'm just going to go back. So I'm just going to navigate on this left sidebar to products and then courses. And I'm just going to come into this demo course that I have. And then I'm going to click on customize. Now this is something that I see all the time, in particular when people are using the Premier template, and that is updating the course footer. If you are using Premier template for your course, I'm going to show you now how you can update your footer settings. So once we are inside our course, we click on customize and then we click customize again. And then we navigate on our left sidebar, just move myself out the way. We navigate on our left sidebar to footer. And then we can decide, will we show the footer? Will we show the copyright? If you are showing the copyright, then update the copyright. Don't show Kajabi's name, show your business name or your brand name. Then if we scroll a little bit further, we can choose whether we want to show our logo or not. We can include a menu in here, and then we can also include our social links. By default, the Kajabi social links will be displayed. So come down here, update any of these social links to show your links. We want to send traffic to your sites and not Kajabi. So I'm just going to come back to this menu option. So I would consider creating a new navigation menu that includes all of your important links, such as your terms and condition and your privacy policy. And then this will also be displayed in your footer. That's it for today's Quick Fix Friday. If you update your notification settings or discover something surprising in your course footer, let us know in the comments. And if you have your own quick fix to share, I'd love to hear it. If you want to keep in touch, this is how you can reach me on Instagram, YouTube, my direct email, and my website.